There must be times when you're watching a subtitled foreign show or movie, and then a
형이랑 이러고 놀다
character
보면
delivers an important message with acting, but
꼭
you are
엄마가 밥
focusing too
먹으라고
much on the
불러준대.
subtitles, and you have to scramble to find the remote and rewind? That's why dubbing is needed. But in many cases, you won't get the dubbing version of the ideal language. But which is the better choice when translating your videos? When is it better to use subtitles, and when is dubbing the way to go? Here's a quick rundown. Subtitles are generally more affordable and allow audiences to hear the original actors' voices. They're perfect for viewers who want the authentic experience. On the flip side, dubbing can bring a more immersive feel, and it is great for viewers who want to sit back and enjoy without reading text on the screen. Dubbing can also increase accessibility, especially for audiences who find reading subtitles distracting or difficult. So, whether you're after authenticity or ease, each method has its strengths. Now, let's check out how to use Wondershare Virbo's AI video translator to create both dubbed and subtitled videos. Virbo makes this process incredibly easy. And the best part? You can try it for free with 2 minutes of credit. After downloading Virbo using the link in the description and logging in, click on the Video Translate feature right on the home screen. This is where the magic begins. Start by uploading your video file. Now, choose your original language and then select the target language for your translation. Virbo supports tons of languages, so you can truly reach viewers across the globe. If your video includes someone speaking, be sure to turn on the lip sync feature. This ensures the dubbed audio syncs with the speaker's lip movements, which adds a super realistic touch. Next, let's add subtitles. Simply toggle on the subtitles option. This can really boost engagement and accessibility for viewers. To ensure everything's spot on, use the Proofread Video Script feature. This lets you review the original and translated scripts side by side for any last-minute tweaks. Once you're ready, hit Translate the video and let Virbo do its thing. Within minutes, you'll see the translated transcript appear on screen. If everything looks good, finalize by clicking Translate Video again, and your translated video is all set. So now, your video has a whole new voice and reach. If this helped you step up your content game, let's see a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more creative insights that you didn't see coming. I will see you in the next video.